Hey, I'm back for another video. I'm going to be showing you how to do this. Put animals in cases. So, all you need is 5 cobbles, or, well, 5 of any block pretty much. 1 sticky piston or piston. 1 glass block. 1 button or lever, or anything that will basically activate redstone. And there you have. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put an animal in there. Okay, so all you do is put the animal that you want under there. Make sure it's tamed. Make it sit so it won't walk away. Then do this, and oh, there you have it. And then you can just mine this and reuse it on other things. Now, I'm going to show you how to do a horse. So you need to do 3x3, then a 4x2 high, then 3x3 there, that glass, and then you need a horse and some what? Okay, sorry about that. Okay, where is it? Aha, some wheat. And let's spawn a horse. Okay, sorry about that. Horse, you're supposed to stay in there. Actually, I'm just gonna put this right here too. So, horse in there. Come on, don't die. Okay, well, anyways, once you get a horse to stay in there, you need to go there, turn it on. There you have it. Horses are 2 blocks tall, so you have to do 2 blocks as this. As you see, it's perfectly fine, not dying or anything. Yep, there it is. So that is how you put animals in blocks. Bye. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like the video, and share it with your friends. Now it's bye.